5 û hevokên herî giring sê. The most important words and sentences. 3. Ez ji Bakurim. I am from the north. Ez ji Başûrim. I am from the south. Ez ji Rojhilatim. I am from the east. Ez ji Rojavama. I am from the west. Tu kî? Who are you? Ew kî ye? Who is he? Tu ji ku derê yî? Where are you from? Kê got? Who said? Min got. I said. Tu yê xwarinê bixwî? Would you like to eat milk? Tu yê avê vexwî? Would you like to drink water? Tu yê çayê vexwî? Would you like to drink tea? Na, ez fen naxwim. No, I would not like to drink. Erê, ji kerema xwe re ez ê vexwim. Yes, please, I would like to drink. Min bibexşîne. Forgive me. Li min bibore. Excuse me. Li ku derê? Where? Çi? What? Çi bû? What happened? Çi di destê te de heye? What do you have in your hands? Çawa? How? Tu çawa yî? How are you? Çawa diçe? How is it going? Çima? Why? Tu çima hatî? Why you did come? Çi qas? How much? Çend? How many? Ew çi qas mezin e? How much big is it? Em çend kes in? How many people are we? Kî? Kê? Who? Ew hat. He came. Kî hat? Who came? We got. He, she said. Kê got? Who said? Kîjan? Which? Kîjan sêv xweş e? Which apple is delicious? Kîjan xweş e? Which one is delicious? Li ku derê? Where? Ew li ku derê ye? Where is he, she, it? Tu ji ku derê hatî? Where did you come from? Heval, friend. Ez li malê me. I am at home. Ez li derve me. I am out of home. Ez diçim malê. I am going home. Ez ê herim malê. I will go home. Ez çawa dikarim herim Qamişlo? How I can go to Qamişlo? Ez ê herim gund. I will go to the village. Ez ji malê têm. I am going from home. Ez ê herim dêrikê. I will going to Derik. Parka Azadî li ku derê ye? Where is the Azadî Park?